children, how are you? I am Vandana Sondhi, class teacher of class 1 of Shamrock Navchetan. Welcome to my class. Today we will solve some exercises related to our concept of ordinal numbers. So children, before beginning with the exercises, let us first again understand what are ordinal numbers. So children, as we have already learned how to write ordinal and cardinal numbers, when we write the numbers one by one, those numbers are called cardinal numbers. And when these numbers are behind or in front of each other, we can assign them some position or rank, so we can consider them as ordinal numbers. Now children, look at this picture. There are some ducklings over here and a mother duck. They are standing in a order or a sequence, so we can assign them some position or rank, like the duck is on the first position. Then there are some ducklings, we have assigned them some positions like second position, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and finally 10th. In the same way, we will do the exercise. So let us begin. There are some kites over here. These kites are also in a sequence or in an order. What we have to do, we need to assign the particular position to the particular alphabet kite. The first kite is on alphabet A, so this is the first position. We need to match the kite A with the first position. In the same way, the kite on alphabet B will be on the second position, so we will match it with the second position, and it has been already done. Now C kite is on the third position. Count it: first, second, and third. Now match the C kite with the third position over here, and likewise we will match the following alphabet kites. Now look at these pictures, children. We need to tick the correct picture over here. We need to tick the third picture over here. Now count it: first, second, and third. So what we will do, we will tick the third picture like this. Now we need to tick the fifth picture. Count it: first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Now the second position we have to tick: first and second. Put a tick over here. Now let us begin with the next exercise. There are some children standing in a queue. They are standing in a particular order. Okay, so we need to write their positions according to their names. Like Divya. Divya is dash in the queue. On which position Divya is? Let us count. This is Saira. She is on the first position. Parul is on the second position. Divya is on the third position. So what we will write here? Third position. THIRD. So Divya is third in the queue. Now next, the dash child in the queue is Ankita. We need to write that on which position the child Ankita is on. Let us count: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Now we will look at the names: Saira, Parul, Divya, Imran, Raj, Anshu, Ankita. We need to write the position of Ankita. And what is the position of Ankita over here? 1, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So Ankita is on the 7th position. We will write here what? The dash child is in the queue is Ankita. The 7th child in the queue is Ankita. So children, in the same way you need to complete all the blanks. Okay, understood? So my dear children, I hope through this video you have understood the concept of ordinal numbers clearly. Please complete your HLA. Till then, take care and bye bye.